Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with your business updates for today. VM Financial Group has officially listed its Class E, F, G, and H preference shares of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's private market, marking the latest step in the company's capital raising strategy. While the listing took place this week, it follows the successful completion of the company's preference share offer, which raised approximately $10.6 billion and attracted strong investor demand. So what is the significance of the listing? The JSE private market is separate from the exchange's main market and junior market. Rather than serving the broader investing public, it was established to facilitate the listing and trading of certain securities in a regulated environment geared towards eligible and sophisticated investors. For more context,
the JSE's private market was established to enhance transparency within the exempt distribution market by providing investors with timely, consistent, and equitable access to information. It creates an environment where investors can remain informed about the companies in which they have invested and where material information is disseminated on a fair and equal basis. Importantly, participation in the JSE's private market is voluntary. Companies conducting exempt distributions are not required to utilize this infrastructure. Yet once again, VM Financial Group has chosen to do so.
Preference shares differ from ordinary shares because they typically provide fixed dividend payments and rank ahead of ordinary shareholders when dividends are distributed. VM's offer featured fixed dividend rates ranging from 9.25% to 10.5% across various investment terms. The listing also highlights the growing use of alternative capital raising tools by Jamaican companies seeking to fund expansion and support long-term growth, which was one of the reasons cited by VM's CEO, Courtney Campbell.
This preference share offer is one of a few key initiatives that we're pursuing to position the VM Financial Group for long-term success. We're aiming to build a stronger, more efficient, and more resilient VM, one that is capable of serving our members, clients, and communities even more effectively in the years ahead.
And according to the JSE's Chief Regulatory Officer Tulloch, VM's return to the market may be significant for another reason.
In many respects, repeat participation is one of the clearest endorsements a market can receive. It signals that an issuer has found value in the platform and has once again chosen to place transparency and investor engagement at the forefront of its capital raising activities.
The listing does not mean VM is raising new money right now. The funds were raised when the preference share offer closed earlier this year. Instead, Wednesday's event marks the formal admission of those securities to the JSE private market following the successful completion of the offer. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.